Hey everyone, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk a bit about Bitcoin and why it's having such a hard time recovering with price action. So we're going to jump into it in this video. It might not be what you think. So smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. I cover crypto all the time on my channel here. So Bitcoin the price is being suppressed basically by miners' capitulation. It's still going on. Miners are selling, and we're going to talk about why that happens. So miners have been actively selling their holdings since the halving. So the amount of selling pressure coming from Bitcoin miners is not descending, and at the current price or current pace, there will be very little Bitcoin left for them to sell. The halving event usually results in a period of miner capitulation because it halves the block's reward for miners. So basically, the rewards that miners are getting during after the halving period, it gets cut in half. So they have to make up the value. Basically, they're basically taking a salary cut if you look at it that way, right? So they are offloading some Bitcoin that they had set aside for this, usually the specific reason. My cat is meowing at me from under my desk, which you can hear. So anyways, so a lot of times they'll hang on to it for this specific reason in order to offset the costs that they are now not receiving in compensation. So this occurs when mining loses money, forcing miners to liquidate their Bitcoin holdings to pay for running expenses. It does make sense, right? So we can see here Bitcoin's just kind of in this channel right here, and we haven't really been able to get back out of it. And because of how long this phase has been, the market is still under constant pressure to sell. The hash ribbons chart, it shows a significant period of minor capitulation that has not yet been resolved. So that's like an indicator basically that you look at to see how the selling is going for the miners. And the persistent selling pressure has been blocked Bitcoin's price recovery from reaching its previous highs. So basically every time it starts to move up or whatever, they're selling and it is pushing the price down. Bitcoin's inability to break above significant resistance levels is happening because of this as well. So Bitcoin's doubling to maintain its position above the 50 EMA and the 100-day EMA as well, as it moves dangerously close to the 200-day EMA. The RSI is at 43.10, and that indicates that the price of Bitcoin is not overbought or oversold, but the ongoing selling pressure from miners has kept the market in a bearish direction. So it's basically, not able to recover at this point. Miners might not have to sell their holdings if there was a substantial increase in the price of Bitcoin. That would once again make mining profitable. So really, if they just let this thing go up, it could potentially be more profitable for them. But, we're in this period right now where they are making sure that they are getting their funds. So, in a way, you can't blame them. If we were to take a pay cut, at our jobs, we would be looking for a way to subsidize that, or for a new job, or for something to help offset the costs. And that's pretty much what they're doing right now. So in a way, we can't really blame them, but that's kind of how these halving periods go. We have the halving, and then we have the period of, where we get dips, we get sells, etc. And then it's more of a accumulation phase at some point after the selling there. And then, eventually we will get to, a supply shock and things like that where the price increases. So, people are going to be buying the dips, institutions are going to be buying the dips. And I don't think this is going to last forever, guys, but we might have a bit of a rocky summer as usual. We usually do in cryptocurrency. So expect it to be, up and down. And, if you're looking to accumulate, this could be a good time to really watch the market and wait for your price to basically come in. That's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to give you a quick video, let you guys know what's going on, why the price is so stagnant right now. And that's basically what is happening. We are having miners sell off. So, let's just ride out the wave, guys. Don't get too, don't get too attached, emotional, watching the charts all the time. Take this opportunity, maybe go outside, do something with some friends, go do something fun. Just take your mind off of what's going on in the charts and the price action and such. We'll get through this in no time. Thanks so much for tuning in and have a great rest of your day.